Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about Honeygain, which is a mobile application that allows you to earn money passively by sharing your unused data. All you need in order to get started with Honeygain is a PC or a mobile phone with internet connection. You can use multiple devices on one account as long as you also have multiple IP addresses, because you can only use 2 devices per one IP address. Honeygain is currently supporting Android, Windows, and macOS operating systems. Besides the number of IP addresses you use, there are also 2 more factors that influence how much you earn: the network speed and your location. You should aim for a speed of 50 megabytes per second and also live in an area where there are a lot of users or where the traffic demand is high. If you go to the official page of Honeygain, you will find a calculator that estimates your potential earnings per month by setting the amount of gigabytes of data you are able to share. Besides earning money from sharing your unused data, you can also earn by sharing your referral link and get 10% from each person who registers with your link. There's this guy on Reddit who said that 15,000 people have used his referral code after he made a TikTok about Honeygain that went viral, and he makes around $130 per month only by referrals. I am considering making another video about Honeygain and how to withdraw your earnings from this app, and if you guys want to see that as well, you just have to stay tuned. And also, if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments down below. I will check every single comment, and until next time, I hope you have an amazing day.